Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we are going over some of the best outdoor furniture on all of Amazon. And you guys, I love this set from Wisteria Lane. This is a 7-piece set and it is like a dining set. So you're gonna have a table that's a little higher up and appropriate for sharing a meal with your friends or having a garden party, whatever you are into. This is going to be the set for you. You guys, this is made of super high quality materials. It's going to be weather resistant, so you can keep it outside and know that it's still going to hold up over time. It's that PE wicker, so it's going to be a lot more durable than traditional wicker. It's going to last longer. You don't have to worry about it breaking down in the sun and the rain. It's not going to rot, and it's crazy easy to clean. Just spray and wipe it down. Is really all you need to do. Even though these are super durable as far as materials go, they're also lightweight, which is really important because even though you'll see it in the picture how this set is configured, it's really cool. It's got the sectional dining table and your ottomans around it. It doesn't have to go that way. This is actually 7 individual pieces, so you can move them around. So that's why it's important that it's light enough to move, and you're going to be able to just get really creative with this and move it around that fits to a configuration that fits your needs perfectly for whatever situation, whatever environment, whoever you have over that night. You are going to be able to make this set exactly perfect for that occasion. This is so beautiful and such a beautiful set to really be able to enjoy a meal outside, or some tapas with some wine, whatever you've got going on. This is going to be an amazing set for it. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're going to be really happy with it.